Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.
What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish here, and today I wanted to talk about day 12 of the $500 account, growth account challenge, as you guys would call it. All right, so let's get right into it. So today we traded IWM, and what we were looking for was breaks to the downside. Again, we're in an overall bear market right now with a lot of fear in the markets due to Trump's very mysterious tariff policies. Okay, so the tariffs are actually the calculations for how he got these tariffs are kind of fabricated, and a lot of people don't agree with it. It's not the textbook way to do it. So just kind of be aware of that. The market's in a downtrend. Today is April 8th, Tuesday, 2025. Let's take a look at the plays that we took today. Okay. So the first play that I did today was an early morning sell-off. I knew we gapped up way too much, and I kind of wanted to see this downside move. So we had a big downside move, and it yielded a pretty decent gain, like a 20% gain, but I sized in so small. So the account was at 5,300, I believe, to start off the day. Let me pull it up real quick for everyone to see. So we talked about this in the day 11 video. Open up the link here. All right, so the account on day 11 was at 5,300, and keep in mind we started at $500. So just by adding up day by day, we can go up kind of big pretty quickly. Okay, kind of big pretty quickly. So we were at 5,300, and today we ended here at 6,700. So currently is day 12. We ended at 6,794 on the account. These are the pretty much two trades I took actually. All right. So I took that early morning play. I like to do early morning gamble plays with small amounts. So from that 5,300, I used 300 here. I went down, or I went up like $100 in like the first 5 minutes, and I didn't take profit. I should have took profit, but I held. And then we got this big move back to the upside, and I got cooked here. But what happened was I saw we had a lot of resistance here, so I ended up adding to my position up at these highs. So from this $300, I took it up to $1,000 because it looked like we had a lot of resistance. We were putting in higher, lower highs. We're getting this double top, and the volume R size started to come down. And then when we got this break, I added additional contracts. So pretty much took it all the way up to like $1,100. Okay, and then from that $1,100, we rode that all the way down to the 100 moving average. Why did we take it there? Because that's where the Fibonacci retracement was from this move up. Okay, and the volume R size was coming down pretty hard. Anyway, so the Fib retracement from this move up would take us down right into that golden pocket. So we went right into that golden pocket. Okay, so worked out. Oh, whoops. I was definitely showing the wrong tab. All right, showing this tab. Here we go. My bad. All right, so let me start over. Took puts up here, and then price ended up going back up. I added some more contracts up here. All right, and then we got this break. When we got this break, I added enough contracts to bring me up to $1,100 total in, and then out here, exited around $1,600. So about a 50% gain on that break of structure there. Why did we exit there? Because that was the golden pocket. Usually we see a retracement there, and we did. We saw a pretty good move back to the upside. Then we waited for a break of that level. Once we got a break of that retracement, I entered back in with 100 contracts here. But this time I take 0 DTE. Okay, so here I took 4.8 Expo, and this was 179 strike puts. So this is a 0 DTE contracts, and the reason I take 0 data expiration is because they move really quickly, and also you're only supposed to take 0 data expiration contracts when there's a lot of momentum. Okay, there's a lot of momentum here. There wasn't there was in the beginning, but that's really risky, which is why my size was so small. So I used pretty much 20% of the account here to get a 50% gain and got that $500 gain. So my goal every day right now is just $200 on the account. And guess what? I doubled that goal. I got $500 right here. Then I saw a really good opportunity. I kind of wanted to do something pretty crazy, but I saw a good opportunity here once we broke this structure and the volume RSI was super low. Saw a good opportunity for additional puts, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put the rest of the account in on this trade here, okay? And then we got a pretty big move down, and I ended up exiting here at 179. I should have let it ride. Oh my goodness, I should have let it ride, but ended up going up like $1,900 or $1,000 on just like this one little move after we got a break of structure. But on this break of structure, we really should have held because we had a lot of room to these next key levels, and as you can see, we went really far. So this $4,000 would have went to. Oh, also, by the way, this was 178 puts. 4,000 would have went to 17,000, something like that. So as you can see, based on the last two videos, I need to hold these contracts longer because we're getting in on very good plays, very good entries, but we just need to work on holding these longer. This was 0 DTE, 4-8 Expo, and I just went one strike further because we started moving down. 178 strike. Okay, puts. All right, so 0 DTE, 4-8, 178 strike puts. Right. So I ended up exiting pretty early because, again, what is my goal? My goal is just $200 a day. I was up like 30% already. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take profit. So that's how I ended up with those two plays. Again, just simple bracelet structure looking at Confluence. Ended up here at 67.94, so 14.94 gain on the day from the previous day of 5,300. All right, so this is day 12. Right. Anyways, hopefully these videos are helping you. If you want to see more in depth, like, oh, what are they doing? Like, we trade live in the Discord. The link is in the description below. I know nobody wants to pay for Discord, so don't pay for Discord. The only reason me and K5, the only reason we make it paid, because we had a free Discord like hundreds of people before, and nobody takes it serious. Nobody takes it serious. Everybody just wants free money, and we're pretty serious people. We played college football. We study the craft. We developed our craft. We develop our craft every single day. So everyone in the group is amazing. But if you want to just see how we're trading, there is a free 3-day trial going on right now. We're going to take it away pretty soon, but there's a free 3-day trial for the Discord, link below. It's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish, and I'm outie.